तिरंगो साहब, हमने कई बार सुना है, अटल जी बोलते थे कि कश्मीर को भारत के साथ चलना है, कश्मीरियत और इंसानियत और जमहूरियत के साथ में। मेरी ये समझ में नहीं आता है, बिकॉज वॉट एवर इज कश्मीरियत एंड वॉट एवर दैट सो कॉल्ड सूफी इस्लाम ऑफ कश्मीर इज कंसर्न, I associate it with Shah Hamadan and people like what's his name, that other guy, अराकी, शमसुद्दीन अराकी। तो ये इस तरह के लोग थे जो इसको सूफी इस्लाम को बनाते थे, और अगर कश्मीरियत उनके ऊपर बेस्ड है तो आई थिंक वी आर बेटर ऑफ विदाउट दिस कश्मीरियत. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
See, Kashmiriyat was a subversive coinage and done from this side. The first time one of the local political scholars in Jammu, who incidentally was basically a refugee from POJK, Balraj Puri, used it.
Okay.
And then subsequently it gained coinage, and the Muslim establishment in the valley also thought that it is useful, so that they can camouflage the frank Muslim separatism or Islamism under a word which will create a broader deception in India and elsewhere. So Kashmiriyat was not actually a coinage by the Muslims itself. It was coined from this side. You see, the way special status to Jammu and Kashmir was described as a refutation of two-nation theory, when in fact it was basically accepting the principle of Pakistan.
Correct.
And creating a Pakistan on the territory of India, on the same premise on which Pakistan was created.
Absolutely.
So it was referred to as a special status state, which was creating the refutation of the two-nation theory. In fact, it was basically accepting two-nation theory.
Correct.
Kashmiriyat is basically a wheel which seeks to cover a brazen, blatant compromise with Muslim communalism of the Indian establishment over the years. आपने वाजपेयी जी की बात की, that is the reach of this subversive coinage, that it had ultimately penetrated even the BJP, and they started seeing some benefits by coining these things. For a long time, I've seen that a segment of Sangh Parivar and the top leadership of BJP, they seem to be in search of secular certificates, and that this urge is clouding their vision, and it is almost leading them sometimes to commit political suicides. So Kashmiriyat was not a Muslim coinage, but subsequently adopted by the mainstream political establishment of Kashmir as a cover to the growing Muslim separatist moment in the valley and the growing Islamization and radicalization there. So, but in the real sense, what we were living in a Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir, which was, if moderately put, was a Muslim state on the territory of secular India. And this compromise was being camouflaged, it was being fudged, it was being hidden from the people of India. And what we are seeing this time in Kashmir is a brazenly pro-caliphate moment. And this pro-caliphate moment perhaps would not have reached this stage if there would not have been this smoke of Kashmiriyat. And so it was a self-deluding operation created, and it is still there. It is not as yet. People say that it has something to do with the moderate Islam. So before we go to the ancient past, I think we want to first delineate one thing. When Kashmiri Hindus were killed and expelled, how was it moderate version of the militarized separatist movement than what is now? See, you know that we are observing the Holocaust month this time.
जी
in the January, in 19th January, we have been observing it, commemorating it for last 30 years as the Holocaust Day or the Genocide Day. And an interesting thing happened on this day. In fact, the religious cleansing did not start on this day. 19 जनवरी को वहां पे जिसको आप कहेंगे जाति संहार की प्रक्रिया शुरू नहीं हुई। 19 जनवरी को कुछ ऐसा हुआ जिसका, जो आपने कश्मीरियत की बात की, वो कश्मीरियत का नकाब उस दिन उठ गया। ये कश्मीरियत क्या थी? 19 जनवरी को रात को लगभग around 1.5 million males were on the roads across, just in the courtyards, on the campuses of the mosques across the valley from north to south Kashmir. Correlating the data of various mosques extending right from Baramulla to Anantnag in the south, we have come to a rough estimate that around 1.5 million people were mobilized that night to proclaim that now Hindus are not required to live in Kashmir. अब हिंदुओं की जरूरत नहीं है, हिंदू औरतों की जरूरत है, हिंदू मेल्स की जरूरत नहीं है। ये एक उद्घोषणा का दिन था जिस दिन ये प्रिटेंशन सेकुलरिज्म का, प्रिटेंशन कश्मीरियत का उन्होंने छोड़ दिया। और उस दिन से आज तक आप देखेंगे, अगर आप डिफरेंट सेपरेटिस्ट स्ट्रीक्स, इवन द मेन स्ट्रीम जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज एंड नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस पीडीपी, वो मिनिमल यूज इस कश्मीरियत का करते हैं। इस कश्मीरियत का इस्तेमाल, इसका यूज इंडियन पॉलिटिकल क्लास कर रहा है अक्रॉस द स्पेक्ट्रम, और इसलिए यूज कर रहा है कि वो शायद वहां पे जो चल रहा है उसको अभी भी नकारना चाहते हैं, या भारत के लोगों को धोखा देना चाहते हैं कि वहां पे जो भी वो कर रहे हैं वो सफल हो रहा है।